The new garage door looks great, just exactly as we envisioned, but it was installed premature. So we're getting the powder-coated hardwire to the new Olympic garage door masked off. Tonight, the painter's coming in and spraying the lid, which would be the ceiling. There's a little bit of a timing issue here, if you will, but that often happens in the construction industry. And so we're working around that as we get things masked off and save the painter some time. It really is pretty, actually. And the walls will be kind of an off-white called Sun Blush, something like that, from Sherwin-Williams, to make just enough of a difference. Husband and wife working together, painting. Eric and Stephanie making our garage conversion beautiful. The best part is painting, in my opinion. And I can smell that Sherwin-Williams smell. The paint. It is. Our entire house, inside and out, is Sherwin-Williams. I wanted to be out here before it got too dark. So you got kids?
No kids.
No kids. Just dogs.
Yep.
That's enough responsibility.
Yeah.
You know what I like about this paint is it doesn't drip off the rolls as easily.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And this will dry flat?
I believe so.
The ceiling's painted, and today the walls get painted. Well, Sky is curious as to what's going on in here, and she wants to meet everybody, especially those she's met before. And Eric's back. He's going to do the walls. Come on, Sky. Let's go. Go see Diane. Good girl. The ceiling looks wonderful. Flat white paint. Really bright. Of course, the windows on the garage door really brings in lots of natural light. This is working out great. A little bit of an obstacle. Eric is having to work around the garage door spring there. Wasn't supposed to be there, but they masked it up pretty good, so it's gonna get done. Does it look like that'll work, Eric? Much easier without that door in the way. Brackets are masked off, a little bit of an inconvenience, but it should work fine. A little breezy, but that's nice because it's comfortable. Well, you can kind of see the difference in the color between the wall and the ceiling. So Eric said he's gonna, by hand, paint to the very edge of the ceiling. Okay, I'm not steady enough to do that anymore. Did you watch any of my videos?
No, I forgot the card in my truck, and then
Well, that's okay.
I gotta check it out.
You're already up there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
doesn't weigh too much. Pretty light.
Wow. It's like 3 times the length of a standard roller. Maybe 2.5. Trying to guess the direction.
Should I take this can or
Kind of wonder
this
who's
is
here.
behind the corner?
We got the team here.
Oh, no, perdón. Nos encontramos en Home Depot. Vamos a subir unas hojas.
That's really something.
Sale.
See it?
It's his first time getting on them too.
Yeah, I can tell. They're trainer stilts.
Kind of weird. There's a wizard. This is the wall right here too, right? Or the window?
Yeah, but
Now we're gonna get some work done. Love the texture. Do you get a discount?
we do, but I didn't get the paint.
Oh.
Tyler got it. So.
Tyler doesn't get a discount. He's just a regular person. Talking about an extra can of paint, which I think would be nice to have. Let's face it, you might do some remodeling. We plan on putting a kitchen here actually, eventually, and opening up a entrance door, installing an entry door, so paint, spare paint would be useful. Where'd your other guy go?
He took off.
Okay. Well, you're 3/4 done at least,
Yeah.
except for the bathroom. Come the twins. Hi, dear. Mom and her twins. They're here routinely. Making some quick progress here.
There for a little bit, it starts to turn pink.
I'm gonna go see how they're doing with the painting. Door's closed, guys, so I'm gonna have to go to the front. Any paint left?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at, the windows are uncovered. We're starting to become a regular room here with beautiful paint. I was playing with them, told them it's the wrong color. We can always change the color someday or someone else. But a nice white that's a little bit warm color works with everything. We've already got sample flooring picked out. And now with the paint on there, we can do some more judgment as to what's gonna work. This one has a cat door in it, but the dog thinks it's a dog door. Won't be long before they're all done.
If I don't like it, there's a mud on it.
All right, I'll get out of the way and let them finish up.
Was the garage door company gonna
Oh, yeah.
unmask the door?
They're going to unmask it. I think that's appropriate. You know, I'm eager to get it done, so I'm tempted to do it myself, but then that would not be, you know, giving them the message.
Yeah.
And the view. All painted up. Hard to tell right now, but it looks beautiful. Next up, finish up the bathroom plumbing, the subfloor, then the flooring for the bathroom and the platform. Then moving on to the coating. What do you think, Sky? Wow. Really cool. Okay, Sky, time to go back inside. I'm gonna leave the garage door open for a while, let it air out. Come on, this way. Let's go see Diane. All right, time to close the door for the night.